Hello folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park field on this very windy morning. It's about 10-mile-an-hour wind out of the northeast, and for these light little models, that's kind of a workout. It's early morning. Okay, I'm gonna turn away from the model real quick. I'm gonna walk down here. Haven't flown this model in a little while. Have to excuse me for just a moment while I get in position. We're gonna do a range test. You can definitely see the lights on that model right now. All right. Okay. All right, let's bring her back to me. Definitely passed the range test, no problem. Okay. Give you a shot of the flag right there. Flag is absolutely cross runway here. So it doesn't really matter which direction I take off in, because it's cross runway anyways. So here we go. Yeah, see immediately the plane weather vanes into the wind. So that's going to make my landing flaps very interesting. Yeah, she's rocking around. This particular plane, as far as my receiver goes, is just a regular plain Jane receiver. Nothing fancy, no kind of gyro or stabilization. Oh gosh, I'm going to have to try to remember. I'm just going to fly around. I know it's kind of boring in a circle. Boy, the wind is really rocking her. Yeah, I'm going to have to try to remember what the receiver is. Good looking plane though, that's for sure. Flaps up. I was just had the flaps down just for a little bit there, just to kind of enjoy a little bit of windsurfing there. Shouldn't rock around quite as bad now with them flaps up, but can definitely enjoy a little bit of windsurfing, so to speak. Okay. Gonna have to do what I like to call a circular landing there. So get her turned around here again. What we're going to do this time is we're going to try to shorten we're going to go more into the wind. There we go. She ain't quite weather vane quite so bad. Yeah, this crosswind runway, or cross breeze, I can't talk today. Cross runway wind, how about that? Makes for a very interesting approach. I can try to land straight this time. Try to land straight this time. Whoa. Well, let's make sure we don't have any damage there, because that was not okay. We're good on our gear. I think we're okay. This is a pretty tough bird, but what helps is the fact that it's so light. You know what we might try doing this time? Might try landing from this direction.
Landing flaps.
And I know I shouldn't have landing flaps, but with the wind. We're just going to land right into the wind here. Hey, she's down. Now, I don't think she can handle that. Well, no. I don't want to try. She's just going to cut grass. And that's hard on the motor and hard on the motor and the ESC. Yeah, she's deep down that grass. Okay, let's put her flaps back up there. The motor's off, of course. Okay, everything looks good. And we still got 2 minutes. So let's try this again. Okay. Just so you know, I'm running a 2200 3S Spectrum Smart battery. Of course, that's a too steep of an approach, but man, whoo, that wind. I'm coming in way too hot, but whew. Let's see.
Landing flaps.
Well, that still was better.
Takeoff flaps.
Yeah, this is definitely not my morning for my
Landing flaps.
best landings ever. All right. Ended on a good note there. All right, well, there you go. Boy, that makes it interesting, doesn't it? All right, folks, well, man, that's the Sky Trainer 182 by FMS. It's $159 at Horizon Hobby. You can also pick one, the exact same plane at Banana Hobby as a plug-and-play for $109. And they have a warehouse out in California, so free shipping over $100. And what you want to hear before you touch a model?
Motor off.
Motor off. I'll put links to that plane and also the Horizon Hobby version, and well, it's an FMS plane, but the only difference between the Banana Hobby one and the FMS one is that it says FMS on here and FMS up there. Other than that, everything else is the same. It's the exact same model, exact same motor, prop, everything. The other thing is it's also 40 bucks cheaper or 50 bucks cheaper. So there you go, folks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.